Yesterday marked 7 years since my sister, Gulshan Abbas, was held hostage by the Chinese government. Gulshan Abbas is a retired medical doctor, a mother, a grandmother, a sister, a woman who gave her life to healing others. She's the kindest person I have ever known. For 7 years, she has suffered in China's dark dungeon. In September 2018, I spoke at the Hudson Institute about the genocide against the Uyghur people. That was my first public speech. 6 days later, Gulshan Abbas disappeared. 7 years in jail. 7 years without due process, without justice. 7 years without her daughters, her granddaughters, her siblings, her friends. 7 years cut off from the world for a fabricated false crime she never committed. 7 years. That is 2,555 days. 61,320 hours. This is cruelty beyond measure. This is the cost of speaking out against the genocide, against this totalitarian, brutal Chinese communist regime. Over the years, policymakers, civil society, academics, students, and faith leaders worldwide, from the UN to the European Parliament, have demanded her release. We must keep building this movement and make clear we will not stop until she's free. We will not stop until this genocide is over. We will not stop until all Uyghurs are free. I need your help to free her, free my people, share her story, share the Uyghur story however you can, amplify our voices, provide us platforms, demand my sister's release, demand all the innocent Uyghur people's release. 7 years is too long. No more, not one more day. Free Gulshan Abbas.